We at fixice.com know ice machines. We have seen just about every issue there is which leads to poor or no ice production. This video highlights 3 of our most common issues related to the spray system. The spray system is when water is sprayed onto the ice mold called the evaporator, which forms the ice. These machines have a time cycle to allow water into the machine, which will be used to make the ice. Since it is timed and not measured, when there is any loss of water, the ice can no longer be formed. If there is not enough water from the first cycle, it is most likely a problem with the water inlet valve, which pumps the water into the water trough. If you have enough water in the trough, the evaporator sensor might also be to blame, which is what puts the ice machine into harvest mode, dropping the ice into the bin. If this is not functioning, the ice will not drop and you will get the large block of ice. If you get 1 to 2 batches of good ice and then it stops producing or forms a block of ice, you have water loss. Water loss happens when there is excessive splashing or a leak in the water trough. Turning the machine off and then on resets the machine, causing it to fill properly until you realize more water loss and production stops once again. We have highlighted with the arrows the points to check for water leakage and also make sure that the plastic flakes completely cover the trough all the way across. If they do not, you will need to order additional plastic flakes which will prevent any splashing water from leaving the water trough. This fix will require food-grade silicone. Turn the machine off, empty all the water, and dry the interior. Remove or at least reduce as much of the existing silicone where the water trough meets the sides of the machine. Reapply the new silicone, making sure you create a tight seal to prevent water from leaking. You can do this on the inside or outside of the water trough. Once done, let it set and you should be in good shape to run your machine. When you turn the machine back on, it will be reset to the correct water level, and since there is no more water loss, each additional cycle should have the correct amount of water. If this does not fix the issue, please check the water inlet valve or evaporator sensor mentioned above. As always, for ice machine parts, come to fixice.com.